we are going to teach you about how to attract money spiritually and instantly, step by step, which will be very helpful. We concentrate on spiritual ways of attracting money. Money, wealth, prosperity, abundance, are your honest desires. You like cash and want to make easy money. Besides your usual job or business, you might have already tried multiple ways of making money. This could be by striving to earn money online. Alternatively, you have tried offline techniques such as investing in stock and speculating in the stock market. Maybe you are not that successful and your heart wants more cash. In addition to reading this article till the end, you may also like a short video on the same subject. What would be the state of the economy quickly? Where would the money come from? How would the money come to me? You have not to worry about these issues. There are lots for all of us, presented we know how to tap the infinite source of money. At the end of the article, you may love to claim your free report How Universe Supports You. If you would love to read more on the relevant subjects, we have provided a list of suggested books at the end of this blog. How to attract money spiritually. In the spiritual world, money is strength and money has power. Like all other units such as wind, fire, money also is subjected to specific universal laws and principles. Once we know these laws and align our thoughts and actions accordingly, we open the doors to money, wealth, and prosperity for us, and that extremely in abundance. Most of us have been brought up with the value of hard work, intelligence, education and other beneficial factors for earning money and being successful. However, by experience, we can state that specific other factors also play a really important role in determining the amount of money we will have, no matter how great as the investment, financial planning or the wealth management. You may also place them in the same category as the law of attraction or the principles presented in The Secret. When these ways of attracting money are developed, they have a propensity to immediately attract money from the infinite source, defy our normal recognition of cause and effect. It goes beyond what is logical and logically possible. Such miraculous and abundant results are signs of the amazing phenomenon of manifestation at work. This is a complete guide about how to attract money spiritually. The powerful steps of how to attract money spiritually and instantly. Here are some of the major spiritual steps to attract money. Do try and understand if the manifestation thrills you also. Number 1. Gratitude. This is the most significant spiritual law of money and wealth. When you are obliged to the universe for what it has already presented you, it merrily responds by providing you more. Gratitude is an excellent way to start attracting money spiritually. Be thankful for the money and wealth you already have and the sources of money you are related to. Be in the attitude of thanks every day, every moment and for everything you have. Number 2. Set your intention, focus and pay attention. It is truly a combination of the 3-step process. First, you set your aim about the accurate amount of money you require or the specific item you need. Send your plan to the universe by talking to God. Next, you should concentrate on that particular thing or the amount of money. Now let the magic of manifestation for money begin in your life. The secret is that if you concentrate on money or any other aim, then you'll start attracting money or manifest that object in your life. Be careful, the intention is everything when it comes to manifestation. If you concentrate on something negative, then you'll attract that negative. Number 3. Let the money flow. The real state of money is that it has to be in circulation. That is the spiritual law of money and also the basic law of economics. Therefore, spend your bills and dues happily, expecting to get back more money than you have spent. Let the money also go into charity in the form of tithing, any act of humanity such as feeding the poor or assisting someone needy in cash or kind. In sharp contrast, if you hold back money, you are in sharp contrast. If you hold back money, you are hoarding money. In other words, you are creating congestion or restricting the flow of money. As per the spiritual law of money, the flow will ultimately stop. Remind yourself that the other name for money is the currency, which is originated from the word current. So let the money rain on you. Imagine that way. Number 4. Appreciate your service providers and pay them in time. Is it not amazing that your employees and utility firms such as electricity, water, municipal corporation, etc. present you a credit period? For 1 month you like their services and then only they sent the bills to you. Therefore, you should give gratefulness for the services obtained, and pray that you and your family may continue to like what each bill represents. Proceeding in the same spirit, pay your bills promptly and incomplete. While you're at it, bless those who helped give for you. This way you will be in a state of joy and gratitude while paying the bills for the services you have already enjoyed. Number 5. Be generous and help others. When you move your focus from the state of lack and limitations to the state of abundance, you boost your energy. This makes the stage for getting more from the infinite source. The best way to do so is to encourage others who are needier than you. You may assist them in the form of money or services. It could be to one individual or a section of society. The universe does not care how huge or small is your contribution. Even the smallest act of presenting is sure to attract some good fortune, including the attraction of more money. When you present from a place of genuine love and compassion to others, you build a bigger room to obtain a greater happiness, which is the precursor to wealth. Number 6. Receive graciously. When you open yourself to getting, you set into motion a wondrous cycle of presenting and take, improving the circulation of money. Therefore, you must learn to get graciously. Whether it is money or a gift of an article, receive graciously and say, thank you, sincerely. Number 7. Seek divine help. If finite human intelligence is not assisting you to keep your head above water in tough economic situations, don't despair. There is still the All-Provider or the Creator, and also known by other names such as God or Holy Spirit or huge powers. The universe is thoroughly attached to each and every perspective of our lives, including money and finances. So please do try to join with the source of infinite abundance and let the spiritual laws assist you to manifest money, wealth, prosperity, and riches. Surrender and pray from the bottom of your heart to Almighty God, ask what you desire, let go and joyfully look forward to getting. Stay in the attitude of thanks, giving thanks every day and for everything you have. Believe you will be supervised and taken care of. Let the infinite intelligence reveal you the right way to money and riches, or rather build ways for you. Number 8. Bless your money. We all know that a blessing is supposed to improve something or make it excellently. To apply the same age-old techniques and bless your money. Do this every day and regularly. Pull out the money from your wallet, hold the currency notes in your hand with respect and care and bless them. For a detailed study, please click on Why You Should Bless Money. Appreciate the currency notes as the representative of the money in your life and praise them for being with you. With affection and prayer, command the money to be with you always and go on multiplying itself numerous folds. Whatever you praise, that spreads or expands. Praising efforts the same way on money too. This is easy because you are presenting an interest in it. The activity of praising is a sort of blessing. Therefore bless every single penny of your money. Number 9. Learn from your money mistakes in the past and make peace. I am sure you have made some mistakes in the past with regards to managing money with disrespect or fear. Maybe you have, for whatever reason, nurtured a thought that too much money is sinful, or had a faith that it is not possible to become rich without doing something wrong, or rich people are mean. Now that you have graduated out of those doubts, it is time that you entirely corrected your mental programming or the belief system about money. Take some time off to write about this in your journal with entire honesty. Just pen down whatever comes to your mind, no editing or smoothing the edges. Nobody except you is going to understand this. Ponder over your past faiths and resultant actions about money. Make peace with it by stating, "It is okay," and "It is over now." Forgive yourself and move on. Promise yourself to make a fresh beginning. The above 9 steps is explaining how to attract money spiritually. Summary: some persons look to get rich and richer effortlessly related to others who work hard tirelessly, yet they do not appear to do well. Now you have the secret to money manifestation and wealth invention. You know how to make money. Just follow the above suggestions and manifest money, wealth, cash in abundance, or whatever you want to have in life. Provide your attention, love, and focus on money and change your attitude to a positive one. Add to it hospitality, gratitude, and goodness. This would kill the negative blocks to money and connect you to the source of infinite abundance. Here is the summary of how to attract money spiritually. 4 secrets that all successful spiritual money makers know about how to attract money spiritually. I was newly asked, can you be spiritual and rich? These 4 secrets will guide you how to attract money spiritually. I know numerous people don't think that spirituality and money mix well, and some even stay a limiting belief that money is sinful. But I'm here to show you that I really believe you can be spiritual and rich. The two aren't mutually exclusive. In reality, it's quite the opposite. Let me describe. When we're in touch with the limitless abundance that the universe has to give, manifesting wealth and prosperity comes naturally and enables us to have a higher level of freedom to do what we're excited about. When you have more money, you have more chances to build prosperity, not just for yourself and instant family, but also for everyone in your community and perhaps even the whole world, which is, of course, a very spiritual thing. If you're willing to discover how you can harmoniously mix money and spirituality into a hearty soup of joy, follow these 4 secret steps that all spiritual money makers know, so that you can just track your way to wealth and prosperity. Step 1. Know it. Spiritual money makers completely know that they can produce whatever they desire. They don't just consider it, they know it. So for instance, if it's wealth you're trying to manifest, instead of residence on what you don't have, concentrate on what you do have and what you will have. Visualize all of the excellent things you're going to do when the wealth you want does appear in your life, deliver to charities, greater your life and the lives of those around you, etc. Your life will follow the path that your mind accepts. So determine what you want your life to look like, then. Step 2. Like it. Spiritual money makers are always quite clear on their purposes when going after a different goal. And while this is an excellent first step, a more strong one is to act as though your aims have already manifested. Remember that to manifest your intentions into the physical world, you need to observe and sense them in your mind and body fully, then. Step 3. Do something. Spiritual money makers never hesitate to drive action. The thing is, if you're just sitting and waiting for something to happen, you aren't actively moving towards your aim, you're just staying stagnant. So take steps, huge or small, which will in some way get you closer to where you want to be. If you have been feeling overwhelmed or don't know where to begin, here's a tip: break greater tasks into smaller ones. Then apply your mental drive to kickstart your momentum, connect it with a positive outlook and a can-do attitude, and shortly you'll notice interesting things starting to happen. Remember to admire each successful step you take by rewarding yourself along the way too. This could be as easy as splurging on a fancy coffee or purchasing a new pair of shoes, or as huge as taking a vacation for a certainly big milestone. Not only will you feel healthier and happier, it will also serve to enhance your certainty that you'll surely succeed, then. Step 4. Be thankful. Spiritual money makers keep an attitude of gratitude. Believe it or not, this easy change in outlook will truly produce even more abundance in your life because gratitude speeds up the manifestation method. When you're in a pleasant mindset, you'll see good things in your life, which will then assist you to stay focused on the positive. When this happens, you send out positive vibrations to the universe, and when connected with feelings of admiration and gratitude, you function at an even greater frequency. Then, the universe can quickly read the message you're sending out to it and will respond by meeting your vibration. It's simple to get started too. Just write down 3 things you're thankful for each day and you'll immediately amp up your vibration. Do not forget to like this video and must subscribe our channel as well.